Now, we just heard how quantum computing helps a little bit to solve some logistical issues. So let's take a look at an early example here in action. So what you see on the screen here is a truck loading scenario, supply chain scenario to, in an optimal way, load that truck here. And I want to plan a truck for SAP's own logistics center and optimize how the truck is being loaded according to the route and the goods to be delivered. So we kick things off in our usual business process here. And I'd like to actually show you what is happening under the hood. So let me take you to this dashboard here that shows the engine of our mathematical optimization. All of this usually happens behind the scenes on a little app that runs on BTP. And this is where our team manages the day-to-day workloads for our logistics and planning applications. And what we now did in here is to build a new functionality into this engine that automatically generates the corresponding quantum circuit automatically from the business problem. So if we click on the next screen, here you can see a snippet of this quantum circuit, and this is how you actually program and the computation in such an algorithm works. Now, when we take this algorithm and now press it basically to the quantum computer loaded in there, then the generated quantum circuit runs on this computer, and when we do, then we immediately, in high speed, get the result back, and the optimization job is actually finished. So this is how we are imagining to kind of interweave, if you will, quantum computing as an additional compute paradigm into the business process software, and you don't have to have a PhD in quantum mechanics anymore. We are making it as simple as flipping a switch, on when you need it, off when you don't. And we have the mission to define quantum computing where it adds value to the right business processes. We believe quantum will join classical and AI compute in your stack, and we're embedding it into the processes and apps you already use, so it just shows up in the workflows of your enterprise. And then AI will predict demand, lead times, and risks. Quantum optimizes decisions given those predictions, and of course, with the cloud, we scale it all.